Hello, I'm John Merrill of NYSE Euronext. Results of our 7th annual NYSE Euronext CEO Report are in. For 2012, CEOs in the US and globally are planning for growth, and that includes adding jobs. Yet there are mounting concerns over the poor economy, protectionism, regulation, political uncertainty, and the tax environment. In addition to more than 300 CEOs of our listed companies, for the first time, we polled 100 plus entrepreneurial CEOs of private companies and some 200 MBA students. So the study compares opinions across these three generations on topics including the economy, job creation, skill sets, education, and social media. Here are a few thoughts on these themes from some CEOs. Please visit nysemagazine.com for complete findings.
Berkshire Hathaway has added jobs net in 2011, mostly in our heavy type businesses like the railroader, and I expect we will add jobs in 2012. And the economy has been coming back ever since the third quarter of 2009, and we continue to see that. And I don't really see why the world will change. In terms of what we see in our businesses, and we have 70 some of them, it looks good to me.
The outlook is very exciting. You know, you're just coming out with your MBA and you're ready to take charge and apply a lot of the lessons learned and things that you've learned in class, case studies.
Overall, what we see the sector doing the best are the technology industry and the business services. So the large companies in tech like Amazon.com, Google, Facebook, other companies like Accenture, PwC, those are companies that are hiring all the time.
Social media has hit a point where it's stabilized and it's pretty much here to stay. So looking forward, this is something that should be looked at as an avenue. You
can leverage this new emerging media to leverage your activity, build your brand, build referrals, find the right person for your job. It's not yet the essence and the center of every company recruiting strategy, but it's going to become over the next 5-10 years. You have to be web savvy. We have to be technology savvy. Regardless if you're working in sales or in marketing or in finance or even pure technology, you have to be fluent in terms of using the technology in the web. You don't have to be an excellent programmer, but you have to have a confidence to use those tools on the web, especially it's a field where things are evolving very, very quickly.
Motivation is really key, and I think something new with CEOs in terms of their leadership, it's that young people, they want to have a bigger and bigger voice.
You really need to be able to see at least close to the top of the next mountain, and then you've got to be able to get people who can't see the top of that mountain to march with you. That's the job of leadership.